Hey, this is Adam from Hubstaff. Let's take a look at how your cleaning team can use Hubstaff. Your team can use their own smartphones to track time. Just choose the project and start the timer. That way you can see how much time is being spent on a particular job. Here in the desktop app is where you can manage your whole operation. The dashboard is customizable. You can see things like how much you owe, who is working right now, or if someone's requesting time off. In the Timesheets view, you can drill down to each of your team members to see how much time they've worked. Timesheets are emailed to you daily, but you can also view each team member's time in weekly and custom views. In the Locations tab, you can see where your crew's been throughout the day with our built-in GPS tracking. To plan out all your jobs, the scheduling tools let you customize who's working and when, or set up recurring jobs. If someone is late or missed a shift, you'll automatically get alerted with an email. When it's time to pay your team, you can automate that too. We integrate with several payment providers, or you can export your data into another payment system. With GPS time tracking, invoicing, payroll, and automatic timesheets, Hubstaff is guaranteed to make running your cleaning business easier. Start a free trial today.